If you're seeing a bad gateway error in the Gamma app, don't worry, because in most cases this is a temporary issue and there are a few quick fixes you can try right away. In this video, I'll walk you through the simplest steps to get Gamma loading again, without wasting time guessing what went wrong. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. First, try a hard refresh. On Windows, press Ctrl and F5 at the same time to force your browser to reload the page directly from the server. This can help clear out a stuck page or a loading issue that is causing the bad gateway message. If you're on a Mac, you can use the equivalent browser refresh shortcut for a full reload as well. After that, give it a little time. A bad gateway error often happens during short server updates, temporary overload, or brief traffic spikes, and in many cases it resolves on its own within just 2 to 3 minutes. So before you keep retrying too quickly, wait a moment and then try loading Gamma again. If the issue is still there, the next thing to do is open Gamma in an Incognito window. This is a really useful step because it helps rule out browser extensions, save cookies, or corrupted local data that may be interfering with the connection. In an Incognito tab, your browser starts fresh, which makes it easier to tell whether the problem is with Gamma or with your regular browser session. Now, if you're using a VPN, check that next. Sometimes a VPN can create a bad network route between your device and Gamma, which can trigger gateway errors or prevent the app from connecting properly. Temporarily disconnect your VPN, then reload Gamma and see if the error disappears. If it works without the VPN, then you found the cause and you may need to switch servers or leave the VPN off while using the app. In most cases, one of these steps will solve the Gamma bad gateway error quickly. Start with the hard refresh, wait a couple of minutes, test Incognito mode, and check your VPN connection. If the problem continues even after all of that, the issue may be on Gamma's side, and you may just need to try again a little later. If this video helped you fix the problem, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple troubleshooting guides.